Hi, I'm Kendra.
And I'm Caitlin.
We're seeing who hold their firework the longest in their hand.
Sparkle, whatever you want to call it.
Who cares? Okay. One. We're gonna back up just in case they have to drop it. We're gonna do it at the same time. Put it in there. Caitlin, hold it over here to the camera. Woo!
I'm scared.
Do not drop it. Hold it up some. Get closer.
No.
So she can do it the longest.
I'm scared. Ouch. God, that burn. It's almost gone, yes. That's so pretty. It's almost gone.
Oh gosh, she's doing it. She's probably gonna win.
Oh, dab.
Okay, Caitlin, videotape me. Okay.
All right, there's Kendra.
Here I go.
Sparkler. Get away from the car.
You get over here. Okay.
You cannot drop it because I know you.
I said I was gonna drop it. Stop flipping lighting. Okay, I can't do this. She won. Okay, we're gonna go light in here.
No.
Yeah, I cannot do it. What if I can't do it? Okay.
Just hold it out.
It's not lighting.
I'm gonna do it.
Will you do it?
Hold it down low. Don't let go.
Oh, it's so flippin' scary. It's like it's gonna burn my hand. I might burn out because it had. Look at the baby cat.
Ew.
Oh, it looks like we're both gonna win this challenge.
Boo.
We both won, so we have to do it. We have to do a challenge to break it off. Who can do the best cartwheel? Okay, ready? Caitlin's going first.
Heck no.
I'll go first.
Can't see you.
Woo! Tripped a little there. Okay, ready?
I might fall. Here.
Okay, ready?
All right, here we go.
Got my stretches. Ouch. Okay,
Oh, shoot.
go. You're wasting time. Okay, well, you vote who done the best at the
Bye.
cartwheel and sparkler. Put
She is Kendra and I'm Caitlin, the one with that, and I'm the one
this
with
shirt,
blue.
and she's the one with this shirt. Okay, so
Bye,
guys. Who
guys.
wins, and like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye, guys.